Hey, what's up, guys? If you own a restoration business, and you're probably always wondering how you can increase the leads that are coming into your business on a consistent basis. And if you're one of our clients, or we've spoke to you in the past, or you've been following us either on the podcast or YouTube channel or our Instagram page, you know that we speak a lot about our digital omnipresence method to maximize the flow of leads to your restoration business. When we talk about being digitally omnipresent, this is what we preach to all of our clients. It's a big part of the book that I published, and it basically is just making sure that your restoration business cannot be escaped when somebody is online looking for somebody to remediate property damage. So today I'm going to walk you through the digital omnipresence method here, and hopefully some of this will make a lot more sense to you guys out there. Now, we always start with your restoration business right in the middle, and one of the first things that we want to make sure that you have for your restoration business is a website that's built to convert traffic into sales, right? You can't do SEO, pay-per-click lead generation if you don't have a website these days, especially when we're talking about being digitally omnipresent. So we always start with the website, which is your hub. Now, the name of the game at the end of the day is about real estate, right? Real estate on the first page of Google. You want to dominate is all three areas of the first page of Google: the pay-per-click section, the map section, and the organic section. And to dominate the organic section, you have to have a website. You have to have content that's relative to the keywords you want to rank. We want to dominate with SEO, the search engine optimization that's going to get your business climbing in the organic section. But we know that the organic ranking can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, sometimes sooner, sometimes a little bit longer, depending on your competition. So we like to implement pay-per-click right off the bat, right? Again, this is about taking over that first page of Google. Pay-per-click is going to get you leads today to your website and drive that targeted traffic to your site. Now, the other very important part of the digital omnipresence method is your Google My Business page. Whether that's reviews or your maps rankings, those are really tied together. Number 5 and number 6 are tied hand in hand. And what we want to do is we help coach getting as many of reviews as you can, and we want to rank you in those map section. The map is the second place that you're going to see on a Google search results. So you're going to have your pay-per-click, you have your maps, then you have your organic. And we want to dominate that entire first page. And we do so by getting you ranked in a 3-pack of the map section. Now, that's all fine, having that real estate on the first page of Google, but the map section is also huge for service-based industry guys like restoration business owners, because a lot of times people are going to be going onto their cell phones and they're going to be searching when they have property damage. A lot of times, if there's a storm, for instance, there is no Wi-Fi, so your phone is like the only thing that works. And actually, the map section is one of the most prominent sections on a mobile search when you're looking for something on Google. All right. Then we walk you through getting you all your social media profiles claimed. One, from a branding perspective, you want to make sure that nobody else steals your name, takes your Facebook page or whatever. So, we really want to see our clients claim as many of those social profiles as possible. And the other big one here is the industry associations. You want to make sure that you're a member of the IICRC or the RIA or any of your regional industry associations, because one, networking is amazing. So you're going to get a lot of referral business from social media and being a part of these industry associations. But also, you have to remember, when you're looking at who you're trying to get to pick up the phone and call you, these people need to build some sort of level of trust. So by having that badge on your website, by being a member, an active member in the restoration industry, you are building that trust right away, and they know that they can trust your business when you're coming into their home or business to remediate property damage. That's it. That's the Restoration Marketing's digital omnipresence method broke down. Make sure you tune in to all of our other videos. Subscribe to our podcast. We're streaming everywhere. We're going to take deep dives into each one of these 8 channels and really walk you through what you need to be doing for your restoration business to make sure you're getting as many leads as you possibly can. Kick off 2022 on a really strong note, and make sure you have these things in order. If you have any questions about this, or you need to jump on a call, shoot us a DM. Email us, whatever you need to do. This is what we do here, and this is the method in which we do it. We'll talk to you soon.